In this video, I'm going to show you how to recall and unsend messages in Outlook. So this is going to be a nice and easy tutorial. All you simply need to do is open up the Outlook application. In the left-hand navigation, click on Sent Items, and now you just need to double-click on the email that you want to recall. Now make sure to double-click on this so it opens in a new window like this. So from here, make sure you have Message selected in the top navigation, and then you can click on these three horizontal dots and you should see Actions. Now if you don't see Actions here, then what you can do instead is click on this drop-down arrow and select Classic Ribbon. Then next to the Move folder, if you click on this drop-down arrow, you should also see Recall This Message. So you can either just click on Recall This Message here, or you can just head back over to the simplified ribbon, click on the three horizontal dots, click on Actions, and select Recall This Message. So you'll have two different options here. You can either delete all unread copies of this message, or what you can do is delete all unread copies and replace it with a new email. So I'm just going to select Delete Unread Copies of this message, and you can check this box to confirm whether the recall either succeeds or fails. Then just press OK. Now as you can see at the top of this email, it will say you tried to recall this message on the 18th of January. Now sometimes it can recall the email and other times it can't, but basically the sooner you try to recall the email, the more likely you are to be able to recall it. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.